Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need two things before you begin: Quike widget admin access and the current widget configuration backed up. Once you have those, open the host application and navigate to Widgets, then select Quike. You will not change language from the widget UI. Instead, you must open the widget configuration file. Make sure to export settings first, because the only way is to edit the config. Now locate the widget's config, JSON, or settings file inside the app's configuration directory to proceed. Once done, open the config, JSON with a plain text editor, and find the language key, typically labeled language or locale. Change its value to the exact language code required, for example NUS, EZs, or FRFR. This is why the only way works. The widget reads its language from this file. After editing, run a quick JSON validator or use the editor's linting to ensure no syntax errors. Make sure to save a timestamped copy for rollback if needed. Finally, restart the host app or trigger a widget reload so Quike reads the updated config. Do not expect an instant in-place switch without a reload. If the widget fails to display correctly, restore the backup copy, then reopen the config and confirm the language code's spelling and JSON validity. This is the key troubleshooting step. Also check application logs for parse errors or permission failures. If permissions block the save, adjust file ownership and try again, then reload once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.